All right, so one of my favorite things to do, so you'll see me posting this a bunch, is setting the little boogers free. And look at how big the baby turkeys are. Look at them go! Woo! Everybody out! Well, they go two places. They go to the dog food bowl, and then they go over here to this turkey's bowl, because there's always a little bit of food left in Captain and Sugar's bowl. You see Stormy out there running with all her turkey babies? She's still a turkey mama through and through. She has a hard time keeping up though. She rusts sometimes, but she truly believes that all those turkeys are her babies. And we've just recently been having trouble with the boys fighting a little bit last night, the first time. We're hoping that the females, see over here, they're getting a little rowdy. We're hoping that the females, there'll be enough females that they won't fight so much, but we might have to be homing somebody. Yeah, see, it's just the three males are in constant competition. I think right now he's trying to claim me. Is that right, Captain? Do I belong to you? That's all right. You don't have to fight them. They don't want me anyways. All right. So there we go. All the excitement's over. Sugar's over there looking at a pretty boy. See, right now, Sugar is the only one of age to mate in the female sense of the form. And our males are mature, so our males are fighting a little bit. I don't know, Sugar don't like him. Now, Sunny, the other goose, she seems to ride along with Stormy. She'll be a good 10-15 foot from Stormy as she babies her little flock. She still wants to like be friends with Stormy, even though Stormy is mom to all these turkeys now. But she does keep her distance. Aren't you a pretty boy? Anyhow, so that's the fun, letting everybody out today.